Today we're going to take a look at the LawnMaster LT306-1800C electric pressure washer, a versatile tool designed to make cleaning exteriors, porches, and decks effortless. Should you find yourself interested in purchasing this product while watching this video, please refer to the links provided in the description. Now let's get started. The LawnMaster LT306-1800C electric pressure washer boasts a powerful 2,100 PSI and 1.4 GPM that ensures superior cleaning performance. Priced under $100, it comes with 3 nozzle strengths for tackling grime, rust, and mud. The included foam bottle allows for aerated foam application, perfect for car cleaning. With a 20 feet high-pressure hose and 35-foot power cord, it's built to cover large areas efficiently, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to keep their outdoor spaces pristine. As for reasons to buy, the LawnMaster LT306-1800C offers great value with its powerful performance and versatility. Another reason is its extended reach with the 20-foot hose and 35-foot cord. As for concerns, it may not be suitable for commercial-grade cleaning. Overall, it's an outstanding product for household use. Compared to others in this category, the LawnMaster LT306-1800C is competitively priced while offering solid quality that matches higher-priced models. I would recommend this product to homeowners looking for an efficient and affordable solution for maintaining their outdoor areas. For more details about the LawnMaster LT306-1800C electric pressure washer, including where to buy and updated pricing, be sure to check out the product links in the description. Also, if you like videos like this, be sure to subscribe for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.